Have a look at this. I absolutely love it. It's the SBD4V. It's a Stanley Black & Decker 4V. It's the 4-volt screwdriver, which I've got one of these. Previously, they were brought out by Facon, but now they're that good. Luckily, if you're into your Mac Tools stuff, it's got Mac Tools written all over it. It comes in a little kit here. So have a look at that. You've got your extender, you've got your 6-rung bits in there, you've got your flats, you've got your posits, and you've got your torque bits there. Now, this thing is so quick at using. It's 4 times quicker than doing it by hand. And if we put the little extension bar in there, which it comes with, we can show you how quickly, I mean, I drove these in, but you can see how quickly they come out. I mean, they're just straight out, no messing around, no need to get an impact gun out or a drill or what have you. It's straight out. And I'm going to show you this thing in the kit that you want it. It's there. I mean, that's the one thing with this thing. It's lovely, but it needs a box so it can go to bed. Look at that. There it is. Comes with a USB-C charger. Comes with all the bits as well. And isn't that lovely? And shouldn't that be? Oh, look at that. Hang on a minute. Hang on. Where are you going? That is a 1/4 inch as well. So you can actually put a 1/4 inch bit on there and put some sockets on it as well. That's mega useful. So all that stuff in its own little bed should be in the bigger bed, which happens to be called your toolbox. But this one, can I have this one?
Take it.
Yes, it's mine. Yes.